Today I would want to say that the entire country is pretty inspired. The country is just waiting for the result to come out, for the loyalties, for the love and the confidence that they have put on Modi ji. They would want the entire world to know that it's Modi ji only who can come back and who should come back. Then we are going. That's what they want to show today. That's what they want to hear for what they have shown in all the 7 phases.
Ma'am, you have performed puja here. So what do you pray?
Today I pray that our Modi ji should come out with 400 par, because he is the embodiment of justice, is the embodiment of truth, and he is the man who can bring the future to this nation Bharat. And I also requested Mother Goddess to let the justice prevail, and even in Hyderabad Lok Sabha Parliament, let the justice win.
Ma'am, there were cases filed against you on the voting day, and you're also going to be counting of votes today. What do you have to say?
I've got the government, Congress government here has made me used to get to all these kind of threats. So now I don't care anymore with AMIM and Congress. I'm going to stand with justice and nothing can stop me.
Madhu ji, you are live with us.
400 पार होकर ही रहेगा.
Ma'am,
जीत होगी होगी होगी, क्योंकि 400 पार करना मोदी जी के लिए कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. जिस प्रकार से उन्होंने देश को अपनाया है, देश के लिए वो काम किए हैं, लोगों के दिल में उनका ऑटोग्राफ है. जो वोट दबा है वो दिल से दबा है मोदी जी के लिए. सो 400 पार कर ही रहेंगे और दिखा कर ही रहेंगे हम. आई एम प्रीटी एक्साइटेड, and all of them who have voted for BJP in the entire country are looking forward for especially this particular seat, that we win and bring justice to Lok Sabha Parliament Hyderabad. We all know that Modi ji in the entire 2 terms have tremendously worked, meticulously worked for the nation. And he has not just worked and left the love, but he has also left a beautiful autograph of Modi Ka Parivar in the hearts of all Bharatiya. I'm so sure that the entire country today would have been in their own prayers, blessing and wishing for 400 par. And these blessings have a tremendous storm of positivity in the nation, along with winning Hyderabad seat. Today I prayed that let the justice prevail. Let the people's pain get rid of this 3rd time under our Modi ji's rule. And I prayed that let there be no more hatred speeches in the nation. Let there be no more dividing the nation on the name of religion. And let there be no more corruption in this country. And let there be truthful party like BJP under Modi ji's leadership to take this country towards Ujjwal Bharat.
What would be your message to the people of Hyderabad?
I would want to tell the entire Hyderabad voters that, all my dear voters, you've really done a tremendous job. In spite of so many hurdles, you still made it a point to come out on May 13th. You have tried to show your best. You've been really lovely. You've been wonderful. You really have cooperated as a voter with me. I love my Hyderabad constituency voters, irrespective of all the religions, all the caste, creed, gender, from the all 7 assembly constituencies. If there has been any discrepancies, it has been only from the state government and not by my beloved voters.
Ma'am, क्या आपकी 400 पार होगा?
400 पार होकर ही रहेगा, होकर ही रहेगा.